So another early morning. I was up at 4 today because I'm catching the train at 6 and I'm here now. I got here at 5 because you have to get your ticket when you get here. But I'm on it now. I'll show you my seat. I'm in first class and we should get a nice sunrise as well. First class. Bags up there. There we go. As I said, woke up in Mirissa, took the tuk-tuk to Matara, got on this at 6 AM and it should arrive at around 9 AM. Then I've got my driver, the really nice guy that bought me the coconut that took me from Colombo to Ella. He's going to pick me up, drive me to Negombo. I'll give him some more money. I also got someone that commented on one of my TikToks and asked if he could help them, because it was so nice. So I've set him up with someone that's going to use them all around Sri Lanka, which will help him with some money. I like that. Made it to Negombo. I'm staying in Hotel Bluebird. It's actually quite nice. I got myself a private room because tomorrow I'm going from here to India. So I thought, why not have a nice sleep before it gets chaotic. But yeah, so this is the room. Nice, simple. Bed is comfy. I already jumped on it. I haven't been in here though. Yeah, that'll do. Do the job. Beautiful. Can't even tell if I'm burnt or not. But yeah, I've got one night before I go to India, so I'm gonna charge my stuff, relax a little bit. Then I need some food desperately, so I'm gonna go and explore, go down to the beach, put some sun cream on, and yeah, see what Negombo has to offer. Let me check in early, which is perfect. So it's actually a perfect time to go and do my laundry because I've been sweating so bad and India's just gonna be worse. So get all of it ready now, and then when I get there, hopefully I won't need to do anything until I get home. But there's one, should be just around the corner. Hopefully I can just leave it with them rather than me doing it myself. I like it when that happens, and it always smells incredible when you get it back. And now it is feed time. Getting a milk tea, getting a burger bun and a chicken bun. I just need some protein. They've got an omelette bun, but I can't just get the omelette. I would have just got 2 omelettes. But not wrong. Really cheap anyway. Saving me. Go. This will do. So I had a nap, finally got out of the house to try and get some of my steps in for the day. And I had a call with my girlfriend, which was nice. She's got a job interview today, so hopefully she gets the job. and I've come down to Negombo beach, so I'm just gonna have an explore here. I just had a mango smoothie, but there was a guy pestering me to buy something, so I had to just run away. I understand, but at the very start I told him that I didn't want anything, and yeah, even if I was to pay for something like a bracelet, I offered him some money and he was trying to get me to pay the equivalent of like £25, and I'm not stupid. But yeah, Sri Lanka's been lovely, honestly. I really underestimated how nice it would be. But yeah, just down at the beach now. I actually went as well to drop off my laundry earlier and they were closed, but I messaged them on WhatsApp and they're back later. They're going to collect it from my apartment from me, my hotel at 5, and they'll bring it back at 10 PM, which is lovely. So that'll be done and I'll be all set and ready for tomorrow to go to India. So yeah, I don't know what else I'm going to do now. I'm definitely going to chill a lot tonight. I'm going to head back, go to the shop, see if I can get some fruit, and yeah, just go from there. The clouds came out of nowhere and it started to storm, so I ordered a pick me and went to the shop. Got watermelon, some chocolate fingers, and like an appetizer. And I'm just gonna chill. The weather's turned, so I'm just gonna stay here, which is nice. I just want to relax. And then later, I'll go to that same restaurant that I went to earlier because it was cheap. Hopefully, I can just pay on card. I've got no more cash now. All of the cash I've got, I'm hoping, can just get me to the airport tomorrow. So yeah, probably just gonna chill out for a bit. I'll show you the breakfast that I get in the morning because I get a free breakfast here. And I'm gonna try something called hoppers, I think it's called. It's like a Sri Lankan breakfast thing. And then it'll be India. The crazy India. Dinner time. Just going to the same place I went earlier and I'm just going to take it home. If they do that. If not, I'll just eat it there. It's just, my hotel is just over the road, so it's just simple. It's just starting to rain a little bit as well, so let's just go sit down, get out of this fucking weather. They don't accept card, which is a shame because it was so cheap there. So I'm gonna go home and just order an Uber Eats, which I haven't done in ages. But there's just normal food like KFC and stuff, but I'll see what rogue thing I can find. Let's go from there. Honestly, getting your laundry done in Asia is like one of the best things. God, finally have clean clothes and immaculately just put in here. I don't know how they've done it and it smells so fucking good. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. Fucking hell. I've never washed my clothes and it smelled like that. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. If you like this video, again, please subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. And now, on the next one, you will see me in Delhi. See you on the next one.